creditwit.com, powered by Better Qualified. Okay, question from a subscriber to the CreditWit site. Asks a question about credit cards. If I close a credit card, what's going to happen? I think I said or mentioned this in one of the other videos, but if you're closing a credit card, remember what that is. You have a couple factors. You have the length of history, which is 15% of your credit score, right? So if it's a long card that you've had, you don't want to close it. It's going to hurt you 15% if you close it. And then also you have, which is 30% of your credit score, you have utilization. What's utilization? How much you have opposed to how much you can, use. So simple numbers. I did this in another video that I'm not going to go into detail. You can check on the site. It talks about utilization. But if you're going to close a credit card, you potentially could lose 45% of your base of your credit score. Also, depending on how many trade lines you have. It's just one card. You have several cards. It's not going to hurt you as much. If you only have one card and you close that only card, you're really going to hurt yourself. So don't do anything, especially if you're going to get any kind of financing, car, mortgage, student loan, anything you need to do, even furniture. Don't close anything. Don't open anything. We talked about that in one of the other videos before you're going to, go and shop. That's it for today. Thanks for the question, and we'll be back at you.